Welcome to Neubids. Discover our flexible reporting system. Any dimension, any metric, available to anyone at any time. Log into the Neubids portal to access the Omni-Suite. Now navigate to the Reporting tab on the left side menu. Here you will click the default empty report located in the header to see the selection of system reports: campaign performance, tactic performance, creative performance, and domain performance. You can filter each of these by ad type: campaign, ad set, creative, size, country, and status. Let's make a custom report. First, set an interval. Then click on Dimensions and Metrics. On the Dimensions tab, select Day and Creative. And on the Metrics tab, in addition to the pre-selected campaign, impression, and spend, select eCPM, click CPC, and CTR. When ready, click Apply. Now you have a populated report generated in seconds based on your choices. Finally, click on the Actions button and save your report. Here you can name the report. Let's call this one Performance. You can also set it as a default report if you so choose. Next, click Save. And with that, you can see your new report in the drop-down menu. You can also configure the default state and delete the report via the Manage Save Reports interface. Now, let's share this report with a client, for example. Click on Actions. Select Share Link. You can name the report link to correspond to your target. Let's keep it generic and name it Performance Report for Client A. Here you can also control the time this particular report will be available to the viewer. Let's lock this into a week-long window of visibility. When you are ready, click Generate. You will see an overview of the report link, from which you can copy the link to send at your leisure. When a link is accessed, the viewer will directly be able to access the report without any login provisions exactly for the time allotted to them via the Neubids reporting system. Everything you need seamlessly integrated into one platform. Get creative with Neubids today.